Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In this digital age, making money online isn't just a possibility, it's becoming the norm. The internet, vast and teeming with opportunities, is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. From selling your skills to leveraging your passions, the online world offers a myriad of ways to generate income. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of making money online. To make money online first, you need to understand the online market. It's a vast digital landscape teeming with opportunities. There are numerous platforms available to you, each with its unique strengths and potential pitfalls. You could consider e-commerce, where you sell products directly to consumers, or you might prefer freelancing, using your skills to provide services on a project-by-project basis. Blogging allows you to share your thoughts and ideas, and can be monetized through advertising or sponsorship deals. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, involves promoting other people's products for a commission. But remember, the key is to select a platform that aligns with your skills and interests. It's about finding the right fit, the sweet spot where what you love to do intersects with what others are willing to pay for. Harnessing your passion and skills in the right way can lead to incredible success. Once you've selected your platform, it's time to create your online presence. Creating a strong online presence is key to making money online. Let's delve into the steps you need to take. First, create a website. It's your digital storefront, the hub of your online activities. Choose a catchy and relevant domain name and make sure the design is clean and user-friendly. Next, establish your social media profiles: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. These platforms will help you connect with your audience. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your branding uniform across all platforms. Now, onto content. Quality content is the heart of your online presence. It's what attracts and keeps your audience. Write blog posts, create videos, design infographics, whatever suits your brand and audience. Lastly, engage. Respond to comments, start discussions, ask for feedback. The more you interact with your audience, the more they'll feel connected to your brand. With a strong online presence, you're ready to monetize. Now you're ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine. Let's explore the different ways to turn that digital footprint into dollars. Firstly, consider selling your own products or services directly. This could be anything from handmade crafts to professional consulting. If you've built a strong online presence, you already have an audience that trusts your expertise. Next, there's advertising. By allowing ads on your website or social media feeds, you can earn revenue every time those ads are clicked or viewed. Then there's the potential for sponsorships. Companies are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach a wider audience. If your online presence aligns with a brand, this could be a lucrative opportunity. But remember, consistency is key. It might take time before you start seeing significant income. Be patient, keep delivering quality content, and the money will follow. While it may take time, the potential for making money online is huge. Let's recap the steps to making money online. We've taken a deep dive into the vast ocean of the digital economy, exploring the contours and currents of the online market. It's a dynamic ecosystem, constantly evolving and brimming with opportunities for those willing to navigate its depths. We've learned that first and foremost, understanding this online market is crucial. It's about recognizing the trends, identifying the niches, and grasping the consumer behavior. It's about being a digital explorer, charting the uncharted and discovering the hidden treasures of the internet. The next step we discussed is building your online presence. This is your digital storefront, your virtual stage. Whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or an e-commerce site, this is where you'll interact with the world. It's about creating a space that reflects your passion, your expertise, and your unique voice. And finally, we dove into the art of monetizing your online presence. This is where you translate your digital footprint into tangible income. From affiliate marketing to e-commerce, from online courses to sponsored content, there are myriad ways to turn your online presence into a revenue stream. So, don't wait. Start exploring the online market, build your digital platform, and begin your journey towards monetizing your online presence. Remember, the key to making money online is patience, consistency, and providing value. Start your online journey today. As we come to a close, let's touch on the best methods to remain engaged and continue your learning journey. If this video was a source of knowledge for you, don't let that like button feel neglected. A simple click can make a world of difference. It's a sign of your appreciation, and it paves a path for fellow online wanderers to uncover this guide. Furthermore, if you're not a part of our digital family yet, it's high time to hit that subscribe button. This ensures that you're always in the loop for future content crafted to aid you in mastering the online market. And if you're prepared to take an even more profound plunge, the description below holds a link you'd not want to miss. It's your gateway to detailed course on how to create your very own online wealth, armed with foolproof instructions, tools, and seasoned insights. Remember, your path to becoming a flourishing online entrepreneur isn't a quick race, but a steady marathon. With the right mentorship, persistence, and uniformity, trust that you can conquer it. So, show some love and hit like, become a part of our community with a subscribe, and dive into a wealth of knowledge with the link below. Embark on your journey towards a prosperous online presence, and together, let's own the digital landscape.